Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back on my channel for another video. Today we are going to talk about what I think is one of the biggest investment opportunities for 2023 to make massive amounts of passive income. It's also a method I personally use to make more than $500 in passive income every month. It is real verified trading, it is safe and secure. It is done inside your own exchange account, so you never have to send someone your own cryptocurrency. We will use Eazybot, and Eazybot is a cryptocurrency trading bot connected through an API connection. Okay, so your funds are always inside your own exchange account on Binance or KuCoin. So if you want to start out with Eazybot, you obviously need Binance or KuCoin. I personally use Binance, so I also have a link to Binance down in the description down below, as well as a link to the Eazybot website. Okay, but before we get started, obviously by no means is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please always do your own research. I use Eazybot personally for now about 4 months, and it's been delivering fantastically. I'm invested with about $15,000, maybe a little more now, and the results has just been insane. And a viewer of you guys asked in the last video that basically, how is it working? Like, I was showing results and stuff, but how is Eazybot working and how are those profits made? So again, I have my Eazybot balance inside my exchange account. So you see $15,500 worth of assets. There's still about $9,000 in USDT left, so plenty of room to keep buying up cryptos. Eazybot is a crypto spot trading bot, so there's no leverage, no futures, no nothing. Okay, you buy and sell real cryptocurrencies. So your results are also obviously reliant on market conditions. If there is a good market, there will be higher profits. If the market is more bearish, the results will be a little lower. But we will go also inside my Binance account. There is a ridiculous graphic to show that those bots really work in every single market condition. So all the coins you see here, CurveDAO, Aave, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Solana, Polkadot, and so on and so forth, are all the bots I made with Eazybot. Okay, you see Aave here, Dogecoin here, Polygon, Solana, Chainlink, Stellar, CurveDAO, Ethereum Classic, and so on and so forth. So everybody's in here. Okay, I just started a couple of bots. So my newest Ethereum bot made just about $3.50 in profit, and my first bot I made almost 4 months ago is already $240 in profit. That's Aave, which is almost 20%. Okay, so we have to back our exchange account with USDT. Okay, this is the trading pair used for trading. And we have to put in a little bit of BNB right here for the Binance fees. Okay, if you do not use BNB, USDT or your coin will be used as the trading fee. First of all, you pay 25% higher fees than what you would do if using BNB. And Eazybot will have some trouble if they use the coin as a fee, because then let's see, we have 8.45 Aave in the account right now, and if we didn't have BNB, we might have only had 8.43, and then Eazybot wants to sell 8.45 because it bought 8.45, but it can't do it because it's only 8.43 in the account. Okay, so you need a little bit of BNB on Binance. On KuCoin, you don't need your KuCoin token, even though again, it will be lower on the fees. Furthermore, you have to fill up your Eazybot wallet up here a little bit on the balance side, because you will need to have money up here for service fees. So you see, service fee 4 cents, 16 cents, 9 cents. This will be deducted from your internal Eazybot balance on every trade. You see 20% of the profits will be used for Eazybot service fee. Okay, that's how Eazybot makes its money. If Eazybot makes a profitable trade worth $1, it deducts 20%, so 20 cents goes to Eazybot, 80 cents goes to you, basically. But now, how is the trading, or how is the profit made? Let's say this is a price chart. Okay, here is our initial buy. Our initial buy is worth 3.39% of our balance. Okay, so let's say we use $1,000 as our balance, backed up balance. Our initial trade will be $33.9. Okay, then we have, let's say our chart goes like this. Okay, like here. Our first trade, or our first cover, will be initiated by -2%. Okay, so we need to cross this -2% to initiate another trade, which would be worth another 3.39%. Okay, so 1x the initial amount. So again, $33.9. But we don't initiate it exactly when it crosses the line, because we don't want to buy and keep buying if the price goes like this. Okay, so we have a retracement, which means we only buy if we go lower than -2% and then up again 0.5%. Okay, we need to go back up 0.5% to then buy. So a second buy would be around here. Okay, here we would buy another 3.39%. So let's put an x1 here, because we buy it 1x amount of time as the initial buy, and now our average price would be around here. Correct? So if the market now would go above the average price, we need to go, I think, 1 or 1.5% above the average price to trigger a sell. But again, we only want to sell if it then drops again 0.5%. So we would kind of sell here, okay, and make this profit. Now, if the market continues to drop down, like the orange line right here, okay, another buy cover would be by with -5% from the last cover. Okay, so when we bought here, then the market has to drop down -5% for us to initiate the next cover. And again, when it crosses the line, we don't buy immediately. We wait till we go 0.5% up again and then keep buying. Okay, let's say we buy right here. Now cover 2 is x2 amounts of the initial buy. Okay, so now we don't buy for 33.90, we would buy for 67.80. Okay, and this will cause the average price to be around here. Okay, so our way up is much lower than it was before. You understand? Okay, this is called a martingale strategy. Okay, to basically double up or double down on your investments, that you cause the average price to drop massively, that you only need a little push with the market to sell the whole trade again. Now a third trade with a martingale strategy would be initiated if we keep on falling and now -8% from the last level. Okay, so if the price keeps dropping, crosses that line, goes 0.5% up again, and we buy here, we would buy x4 amount. Okay, so then about $130 worth of this coin, which then causes the average price to be around here. Okay, so then we only need maybe like a 5-6% upwards trend from the market to close the whole trade in a profit while the coin loses. Okay, if the coin now keeps on dropping, we have independent buys and sells. Okay, so we use, for the first 3 covers, we use a martingale strategy and then switch to another strategy, an independent buy and sell strategy. So down here, it will buy and sell crossing those lines. So every time we drop down, we buy. Every time we go up a line, we sell this trade. Okay, so in this case, we would maybe buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here. Didn't sell because it needs to drop down again. So if it goes here, we might sell here, and so on and so forth. Right? So we sell those trades, those trades, those trades. And we keep on holding to those trades. And with this profit made here, we will drop the average price to here, to here, to here, to here, until with all the profits made, the line goes up again, crosses our average price level, and we can sell up here. And then we close the whole trade. Okay, and we made then profits even though the market dropped 12, 13 or more percent. Okay, that's basically how it works. And that's shown, let's check the Filecoin trade here. Eazybot has shown this a lot of times. Let's take this trade right here. I think we showed it in the last video as well. We opened this up on September 12th, okay, at a Filecoin price of 672. We have our first cover here at -2% x1. This one right here, okay. Our next trade is cover 2 -5% x2 at 619. This one. Next trade at 571. Cover 3 at -8% x4. This one. Okay, so we dropped the average price already. After this, cover 4 is independent. So you see we buy at 568 and sell at 574 and bank in a profit. Half of the profit is used to push up the balance. So 18 cents is used to put in USDT in the balance. The other 18 cents is used to lower the average price. And this is done cover 5, cover 6, cover 6, cover 6, cover 5, and so on and so forth. We buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. We had 522 at one point. Again, we buy and sell and drop down the average price. And in the end, we sell it at 607, the whole trade. Okay? Bank in $9 in profit when we closed it. And the whole profit of the trade is $17. Even though our price of the coin went from 672 to 607. Okay, so more than 10% drop, we made profits. Okay, and that's how Eazybot works. So Eazybot worked really well in a downtrend, and I'll show you again. Let's check the profits since 27th of June, since I use it. And you will see right here, we have a clear profit. Like a week ago, we were up 11%. Now it's down to 5.67%. We are 14% above the Bitcoin price chart during the time. We see that Bitcoin dropped 8.46% during those 100 days, and or a little more than 100 days, and we made a lot of profit. Okay, and you know, a lot of bots make profit in bull markets, but a low amount of bots make profit in bear markets. And Eazybot started in March of 2022 when Bitcoin was at about 45, 46 or $50,000. It's now at $18,000, and Eazybot still makes profitable trades daily. Eazybot closes 13,000 profitable trades on a daily basis. I think Eazybot is the best opportunity for passive income in 2023, and this is the proof for it. Okay, we see my bots make ridiculous amounts of profits. Like Aave is up 20% in those 3.5 to 4 months. Okay, obviously we'll have bots that are not as worthy, like Monero is there for 2 months, $21. That's 3.5% in 2 months, which is still good. That's 1.8 per month. That's still good. But it's not like 20% in 3.5 months, like 6.5%, right? So you will have bots that deliver better than others. But it's always depending on market conditions. That's what you have to keep in mind. So if you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, also check out the FAQs. You can go to resource guide or help. And if you're on this website, for every single question, you find a video with an answer. Okay, but that's it. I'm out. See you guys. Bye-bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. dream.